Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best metal shed for backyard gardening that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Suncast Horizontal Stowaway Storage Shed. Multi-walled polypropylene resin panels are engineered for long-lasting strength and stability. The heavy-duty floor is designed to withstand the abuse or other heavy equipment. Storage space can be a problem. Let the Suncast GlideTop Horizontal Shed be your solution. This medium-sized 5.4 featuring x3, 2 featuring shed offers a spacious capacity of 70 cu. Fortin features wide double doors with a hinged lid, allowing you to move and store oversized items with ease. With a sleek, low-profile design, it is the ideal compact storage space for trash cans, bikes, mowers and patio furniture. The outdoor storage shed is constructed of blow-molded resin that is both durable and strong. Resin is easy to clean and will not rust or rot, for an attractive and professional-looking space that will last a lifetime. Moving on at number 4, we have Homspark Horizontal Storage Shed. Perfect for store garden tools, barbecue grills, firewood, seat cushions and more. Can accommodate 2 shelves, waterproof, weather resistance, moisture resistance, easy to clean. The flip cover could supported by one long support lever to store items quickly and easily. Lockable lid to keep your items more safe, lock not included. With door handle, easier to open the door. Step on lock, fix the door on the floor. Another practical function is can be used as stylish decor because of its fashionable design. Add convenience and fun in your life. At number 3, we have Kinneying Outdoor Storage Shed. Kinneying has multiple opening directions and the flip cover could be supported by a lever to store items quickly and easily. With 2 latches, it can be fitted with a lock to keep your items safe. The Kinneying storage shed provides attractive outside storage with double doors for easy access and an easy open top lid for convenience. When you lack space for storing your belongings outdoors, it works perfectly for storing your mower, garbage cans and outdoor furniture. They even provide a convenient place to keep bicycles and barbecue grills out of the rain. The storage shed can be easy anchored to the ground by the special space. There is a dedicated location for the laminate shelving. At number 2, we have Ketter Manor 4x6 Resin Outdoor Storage Shed. Generous storage capacity of 131.8 cubic feet. Weather resistant, waterproof and UV protected, will not peel, rot or rust. Use as a storage shed for bike storage, yard tools, garden tools, and patio furniture. Lawnmower, garden tools, extra hoses, fertilizer bags and those leftover bricks from your patio project. What do all of these items have in common? They're all cluttering up your basement or your garage and you're tired of dragging them out into the yard every time you need to use them. The solution to your problem just might be the Manor 4x6 outdoor storage shed from Ketter Plastic. This tough plastic shed won't ever rot, peel or dent, unlike its wooden and metal competitors. Furthermore, the double door at the front of the shed makes it easy to get big items in and out of the shed without strain or hassle. And finally at number 1, Rubbermaid Horizontal Garden Storage Shed. The shed can accommodate 1 wood shelf, not included. Tough, double-walled construction and an impact-resistant floor protect items from inclement weather. It is the only double-walled storage shed in its class. Horizontal storage sheds with 15 to 25 cubic feet of storage space. The horizontal storage shed is durable and weather-resistant. An easy, hassle-free storage solution. It comes with a heavy-duty, impact-resistant floor and has a storage capacity of 18 cubic feet. The shed can accommodate 1 wood shelf, not included. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.